Hello everyone. Today I am starting a new topic, that is structure of atom. Point number 4.1, that is subatomic particles, come under reduced syllabus. So we are not going to discuss that point. Now point number 4.2, atomic number and atomic mass number. I know I already explained these terms in first topic. So what is atomic number? Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons or number of electrons in the atom. And this atomic number term is denoted by the letter capital Z. Next term is atomic mass number. It is denoted by letter capital A. Mass number is defined as number of protons plus number of neutrons. But number of proton means what? It is atomic number. So we can write formula of mass number as A is equal to Z plus N. And if you rearrange this formula, you can also deduce a new formula for number of neutrons as N is equal to A minus Z. Okay, so these two formula are very important to solve the problems based on these two terms. The atom or nucleus having a unique composition as specified by this structure. See, symbol X, and here mass number is written and here atomic number is written. Example, carbon, you can write this side also, okay, this side or this side. So here write down mass number and here write atomic number. Okay, so this is called as nuclide or representation of atomic composition. Here is the problem based on these two terms. Find out the number of protons, electrons and neutrons in the nuclide argon 18. So in this problem atomic number is 18 and mass number is 40. Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons or number of electrons. So we can write here number of protons or number of electrons is equal to 18. Now for number of neutrons, you know, for the number of neutrons formula used is A minus Z, that is atomic number, mass number minus atomic number. So here we can get the number of neutrons. Okay, so by using the concept of atomic number and mass number, you can easily find out the number of protons, electrons and neutrons. Next term is isotopes, isobars and isotones. First is the isotopes. Definition of isotope is all the isotopes of an element have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons in their nuclei. That is, number of proton means atomic number and different number of neutron means different mass number. That is, in another words, isotopes have same atomic number and different mass number. Here is the examples of isotopes. See, in case of lithium, atomic number is same, that is number of protons are same, but number of mass number is different. Similarly, in case of carbon, atomic number, that is number of protons same, but number of neutrons different, therefore mass number will also different. Okay, so these are the examples of isotopes. Here is the one problem. This type of problem you already solved in first topic, that is calculation of average atomic mass. The two natural isotopes of chlorine, viz chlorine 35 and chlorine 37, exist in relative abundance of 3s2. Find out the average atomic mass of chlorine. Here ratio of abundance is given. The problems which we solved in first topic in percent relative abundance. Okay, so we divide relative abundance by 100 each time, but here ratio is given, so divide by 4 because 3:1, that is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. By solving this you will get the answer of this question. Okay, when you solve this you will get the answer of this question. See, in this table isotopes of carbon are given. Carbon atom possess 3 isotopes, namely C12, C13 and C14. For all these isotopes atomic number is same, that is 6. Atomic mass number is 12, 13, 14 respectively. From the information of atomic number and atomic mass number, you can easily calculate the number of neutrons in each isotopes of carbon. Percentage abundance for each isotope is given in this column. See here, you can find out the number of neutrons by using A minus Z formula, and percent abundance is given here. For the carbon 12, percent abundance is 98.9% in nature. Carbon 13 is in 1.1% and carbon 14 is occur in less amount, that is 0.00017%. Therefore first two isotopes are stable and carbon 14 is radioactive element. Okay, next term is isobars. The atoms of different elements having the same mass number but atomic numbers are called isobars. This is exactly opposite to isotope term. Example of isobars is shown in this table. See, in the table carbon 14 and carbon and nitrogen 14 are isobars of each other, that is both have same mass number, that is 14, but different atomic number, that is 6 and 7 respectively. From this data you can easily calculate the number of protons and number of neutrons. Number of protons is nothing but the atomic number, therefore here number of protons are 6 for carbon 14 and number of protons for nitrogen is 7. Okay, then by using the formula A minus Z you can calculate the number of neutrons for both. Next problem. 3 elements Q, R and T have mass number 40. Their atoms contain 22, 21 and 20 neutrons respectively. Represent their atomic composition with appropriate symbol. So here mass number of 3 elements are given, number of neutrons are also given. Question is, you have to show these 3 elements with atomic composition with appropriate symbol. So for this we have to calculate atomic number by using Z is equal to A minus N formula. You can easily calculate the Z, that is atomic number. See here, A is equal to Z plus. So by rearranging this formula you will get new formula for Z, that is A minus N. So by putting the values of A and N for 3 elements you will get the answer of Z for the 3 elements. Okay, now you have both terms, that is atomic number and atomic mass number, and atomic composition of the 3 element is written as in this way. See here. Next is isotones. Next term, isotones. The atoms of different elements having same numbers of neutrons in their nuclei are called isotones. Here is the example. Same number of neutrons means isotones. Here is the example. See, B means boron 11 and carbon 12. Okay, so atomic number is 5 in case of boron, 11 and 6 in case of carbon 12. Next, mass number 11 and 12. Number of neutrons calculate by using A minus Z formula. So you will get the same number of neutrons for both, that is carbon and boron. So boron 11 and carbon 12 are isotones of each other. Okay, so in this lecture we studied atomic number, atomic mass number, isotopes, isobars and isotones. Memorize all these terms, their examples, and write the definition and examples of these terms in your notebook as a notes.